2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.